Hello viewers, in this video we will learn about Ichimoku indicator. This indicator uses moving averages to identify support and resistance levels. Moreover, it also throws light on price momentum and trend direction. With all these combinations, the indicator has acquired a cloud methodology to identify reversal, support and resistance levels while also facilitating the prediction of future directions. The Ichimoku indicator is an all-in-one indicator that provides information about support, resistance, trend direction and momentum, all at the same time. The Ichimoku indicator is a potent trading tool, but many traders feel overwhelmed when looking at all the lines and information that the indicator gives them and then often misinterpret the Ichimoku signals. But in this video, I will try to make you understand about Ichimoku indicator in easiest way possible. This technical indicator brings in bundles of information for you to implement as a trader, just like information regarding trends, confirmation of the trend, and support and resistance levels for the future. Just like every technical indicator out there, Ichimoku Cloud also have some drawbacks as it is based on historical data, and Ichimoku Cloud uses lagging data, which is a major drawback for people seeking a more predictive approach. Another drawback is overdose of information. Ichimoku Cloud is often criticized for presenting too much information on a single chart. And third is false signals, the possibility that Ichimoku Cloud gives false signals about the support and resistance levels cannot be ruled out. Now let's see the structure of Ichimoku indicator, as it consists of 5 components. First, conversion line. This line represents support and resistance levels, and is the signal line for price reversal. It is also referred to as a turning line. Moving down or upwards, this line indicates the direction of the market's trend. Second, baseline. This line indicates the future price movement of the market. If the price is above the baseline, it has the potential to move up further. If the price is below this line, it may keep falling. Third, leading span A and leading span B. Leading span A represents one border of the Ichimoku cloud, and leading span B represents the other border of the cloud. Fourth, the lagging span. This line represents the price from 26 days, or periods, ago. In other words, if you take price and shift it back 26 days, in the case of using the daily chart, that represents exactly what this line is. If the trend has been distinctly down over the past 26 days, then this will generally make it the lowest line on the chart. This denotes a bearish trend. And when the trend over the past 26 days is decidedly up, this generally has the effect of making this line the highest up on the chart. And the fifth is a cloud. When the leading span A is moving up above the leading span B, it helps confirm that the market is in an uptrend. In this case, the space between the lines is usually colored green. And when the leading span A is moving down below the leading span B, it may confirm a downtrending market movement. In this case, the space between the two lines is usually colored red. Traders use the Ichimoku cloud to identify the market support and resistance areas. The cloud provides support and resistance levels that may be projected into the future. This is an outstanding feature that sets Ichimoku apart from any other technical indicator. I hope you got an easy explanation about Ichimoku. Now let's use Ichimoku in trading market. But before going forward, be sure to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more knowledgeable videos like this. As you can see, we have placed Ichimoku in the chart. We had removed leading span A and B and lagging span, so we can get clear and visible signals from it. Now do remember here, the blue color line is conversion line and red is baseline. And the cloud confirms an uptrend when price is above the cloud and a downtrend when price is below the cloud. The space within the cloud is a noise zone and trading here should be avoided. Now let's see buy and sell signals. We have removed other unrequired components, we just require baseline, conversion line and the cloud. For buy signal we should look out for three conditions. First, conversion line crosses the baseline from down to upward direction. Second, cloud should be below the price, and third, cloud should be green in color, which conforms the uptrend. Kindly note, we do not trade when price is in the cloud. We only trade when price is above or below to the cloud. Now look at this chart. As we can see, the price is above the green cloud and bullish crossover just happened, so we will take buy trade here, but is recommended to wait for some candles after bullish crossover. So we will take buy trade at this candle, and our stop loss would be the baseline. And our profit target would be 2 times of our stop loss, or you can put according to 1:1.5 risk-reward ratio. As you can see, our trade comes to an end being profitable. Now let's see sell signal. For sell signal, we required 3 conditions. First, conversion line crosses the baseline from up to downward direction. Second, cloud should be above the price, and third, cloud must be red in color. So at this candle we take sell trade by putting our stop loss to the baseline and our profit target to 2 times of our stop loss. And for your entry candle, if you wish you can wait for some downward candles. Let's see what happens to our trade. As you can see, our trade comes to an end being profitable. And you can also see the no trade zone here, because it will give you many false signals in range markets, so always trade in uptrend or downtrend. Indicators only provide a structural idea of how markets act, and it's up to the trader to decide where to reel in profits and how to control risk. The Ichimoku cloud can be useful, especially for new traders who need help spotting trend direction, finding entry points, momentum, and detecting reversals. So, friends, this comes to an end of this video. I am sure you got a good knowledge of Ichimoku indicator, its benefit and drawbacks, and how to use it correctly in trading market. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more knowledgeable videos.